The Best Starts for Kids Indicators Dashboard provides key insights into the health and well-being of children, youth, families, and communities in King County. It was developed under the voter-approved Best Starts for Kids initiative, which aims to ensure every child raised in King County grows up happy, healthy, safe, and thriving. For more information, visit the Best Starts for Kids website. Indicators are key data points categorized into 4 areas: prenatal to age 5, ages 5 to 24, communities of opportunity, and youth and family homelessness prevention. To view specific indicators, select an area from the menu. Use the search bar to find specific indicators. Type your term and press enter. Only exact phrases are searched, so try partial words. For example, typing breast shows indicators like breast, chest fed, and breastfeeding. Below the search options is a list of indicators. Each row includes the topic area, indicator name, a brief description, and the latest data point. Clicking a row opens a new tab with additional data for that indicator. At the top of the dashboard page is the navigation menu. Below, graphs and maps display data for specific topics. Hover over any part of the graph or map to see more detailed information pop up. Let's return to the navigation menu. The Demographics tab displays data sorted by various categories such as age, gender, race, and region. The available categories may vary depending on the data source, but we aim to provide as many detailed categories as possible. Sometimes data may not be displayed for some groups if we don't have enough to share reliable estimates. To analyze data by multiple demographic characteristics, go to the Detailed Demographics tab. First, choose a demographic characteristic from the first drop-down menu. This will display data from various demographic groups. For example, selecting region shows breastfeeding rates by age, gender, and more within each region of King County. Simplify your view by selecting an option from the second drop-down box. For example, you can see breastfeeding rates by race and ethnicity for each region in King County. In addition to demographics, view results over time by selecting the Trends tab. Use the category menu to see trends over time for different demographic groups, like a child's race and ethnicity. Selecting a group from the color legend on the right-hand side will highlight that row in the graph, making it easier to see. The Notes and Sources tab provides the sources of this data along with some technical information. Some dashboards include maps with detailed information for specific cities and neighborhoods in King County. For example, after reviewing data on babies breastfed for at least 6 months, let's see who initiated breastfeeding. On the Cities and Neighborhoods tab, a map shows how this indicator varies across King County. Red indicates worse outcomes, blue indicates better outcomes. Available exact geographies depend on the data source. Hover over an area on the map for more information. Alternatively, select it from the menu on the left to highlight it on the map. At the bottom, a chart ranks all areas from highest to lowest. Hover over a bar to see the area it represents and its rate. If you have questions, contact the Best Starts for Kids data team at bsk.data@kingcounty.gov.